Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change receiver name on Western Union. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Western Union, click the register option, and by following the on-screen instructions, you are good to go. Now, changing the receiver's name on Western Union transaction might be necessary for a lot of reasons. For example, if there was a typo or mistake in the receiver's name when the transaction happened or initially processed, it needs to be corrected to ensure the receiver can pick up the funds. Now, for example, you had made a recent transaction here online on Western Union. You just need to click on the history to be able to see what happened on that, all right, or the transaction. But the thing is, you have an option here that says the online transfers and in-store transfers. Okay, so for example, you were able you are in the middle of the processing for the transfer. If that's the case, you can still be able to change the receiver's name. But in the event that you have already sent the money or the payment or transaction, you can no longer change the receiver's name because it's already been processed. But in our case, we still need to enter the name, and we have the luxury to change the receiver's name, which is very good, right? So all we gotta do is continue to receiver. All right. Now all we're gonna do is, of course, put in the receiver's name. Now I'm gonna put something here like maybe and this one, and of course just provide all of the information right here, country, and of course put in the receiver's bank information. And after that, all they're gonna do is click on continue, and from there you were able to change the receiver's name on Western Union transaction. Now, apart from doing it here on the web version, you can also do that on the mobile device. And just like what we did in the web version, for example, you have entered a wrong information such as the intended receiver might no longer be able to pick up the funds due to a lot of unforeseen circumstances, or the receiver has legally changed their name. All right, all they're gonna do again is continue to receiver. And just like the web version, all we're gonna do is just put in as much as information as we can. And we can, of course, put in the name here as we wanted. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.